Okay, so right now we have such a layout with fridge and first section of kitchen unit. Right now is set. Okay, I make some changes in this loom. So it means we have 12-volt fridge, not like it was. So behind this panel here will be what I see is a switch for water pump. So here it looks like that. This is connection for the fridge. You see the old sign, and it will go down there through this hole from the bottom. Okay, here is, to tell the truth, it's not like a sharp edges, but we add some like a carpax to be on the like a safer level. Anyway, it's like a quite few amps for this switch. And right now to the bottom. And right now it looks like that. Okay, first check of layout fridge with countertop for coffee machine. It should look like that. Why I fit it? It's not ready. I wanna like check all like angles again before it panels will be fitted, because it's right now it's fitted, but it's fitted bit temporary. So how you see it's not straight, so I have to set it straight and have to decide which we have to be straight. Anyway, because it looks like it's straight according to the van floor, but something is wrong because the gap here is closer and here is open, so it means like something is bit strange. Okay, anyway, it should look like that. For some fiddling we have much better situation. This means like I have to level this floor shelf under the fridge, and right now it's okay to this level, it's flush with these panels. Still we have too big gap here compared to the bottom, but it's because this panel is bit bended and have to be fitted like that by, it's not big move but enough, by full unit. So top shelf, okay, it's straight to this. and it's straight to this. A bit better, but it's okay. So we can fit the screws together here, screw it together by screws here. The screws will be invisible because later on here will be overhead as a separate unit, means it will cover screws on this wall. Not enough specific. Okay. Too long. It's 45 should be enough long. Means inside shelf. It's okay. Okay. Okay, how you see, we have to screw from the other place. I don't wanna leave the block visible in this place. It will be look stupid. Oh, blocks are better, but so how we can do anything here means we have to make a technical technology holes here. This is like a lack of proper design. Of course, it was lack of my mistake, because it's not enough place to screw here. Maybe with angle screwdriver, but I don't have any proper. I have something, but it not works properly, so I have to make two small holes here just to go with screwdriver through this hole and screw this panel to this shelf. Of course we can make a blocks here, but I don't wanna. It looks shitty. This magnetic bit is not too. So right now Okay, here will be angle to keep this panel in place. Okay, so up to now we have such a layout. The fridge, under the fridge will be drawer, the worktop for like a main worktop. Okay, main worktop will be somewhere here. This is a bit higher. It will be like a coffee machine, just like a, I think it's more convenient when the fridge are a bit higher than on the floor. So it looks like that. Of course it will be taken out, especially the fridge, but it looks like that. Even wide angle is not enough to show it, but this is like a just mirroring this insulation. It's okay, so a bit forward like usually, only a bit.